Hello everyone, welcome, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to add a delivery address on your Amazon account. First of all, go to any browser you want and go to www.amazon.com. Okay, first of all, in order to add a delivery address on Amazon, hover your mouse on the top right of the screen. Click on account. Once you have done that, you should be taken to this page. On the bottom here, you can see there is ordering and shopping preferences. Below that, there is your addresses. Click on it. Once you have done that, click on add address. Once you have done that, you can add the region you are currently in, add your phone number, your address, your apartment, unit, or building. You can add the city you are currently in and add the zip code. Once you have done that, click on add address, and congratulations, you have successfully added a delivery address on your Amazon account. For more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching.